Draw your best circle Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to trending at highlight. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find your desired sticker, and here as you can see I only have viral stickers, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it, draw your best circle, click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one right here, and now you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. And now let's draw our best circle. Click on those three dots from the right top corner and click to draw. Now from the left you can choose the thickness, and you can also choose the color. So I will go in this one. So there we have it. Click on the check mark from the right top corner, and once you're happy with your story you can share it with your friends. So click to your story button from the left bottom corner. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.